Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you my coworker slash office space business plan template that I've updated for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what I'll do is I'll walk you all through some of the updates that I've made to my coworker slash office space business plan template using a little bit of AI. And then once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my co-work slash office space business plan template, specifically the updates that I've made for 2023 going into 2024. And the first update that I made was to the services section. I took the previous document that I wrote for specifically to the services section. I ran it through ChatGPT and I asked it to go ahead and optimize the writing, and it did, and I liked results. And so from there, I went ahead and included it. So now you've got a services section written by an MBA and optimized by ChatGPT or artificial intelligence. The next section that I went ahead and updated, it was my industry research. As we all know, an important aspect of a business plan is current market research. So I have a subscription to IBIS World. In my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. And so what I've done is I accessed my report and I went ahead and updated the information in the business plan template, specifically the revenues, the profits, profit margins, number of businesses, employees, and wages paid out for the industry. So I went ahead and updated all that good stuff for the industry research. And the final segment that I updated was the marketing section. As we all know, social media is always evolving and optimizing and updating. And so I went ahead and I updated this section to make sure it was current. For example, Twitter is, formerly known as Twitter, and it's now, the company is now named as X. And so I went ahead and updated that information, as well as I've added information to allow y'all to better customize the social media marketing aspect as well. So those are some of the changes that I've made to the template. So hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind, there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.